Hi, thanks so much for joining us at Rallyhood today. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Give feature inside of a hub or a rally on your navigation bar. Let's click into a hub, and here's your navigation bar. You're going to click on Give. First, you're going to add your title for your fundraiser, and then you're going to want to type in a detailed description or story based on your fundraiser, and you can really customize this by using a broad amount of menu items to change your font, add hyperlinks, you can add in emojis, you can change your text color and your background colors. You can add ordered lists and underline, italicize, bold. The options are endless, and you can set a goal if you wish. Add your photo, add an attachment. It could be a flyer or a link associated to your fundraiser. Organizer's contact information, so first name, last name, email address, phone number. Next, you have the option to select the type of donation. You can let the donor write in any amount, or you can add specified giving levels. Adding specified giving levels will open up these boxes where you're going to insert the name, the cost associated, and if there's any fees involved. Always be sure to save, and you have the option to add additional donation levels, or you can cancel out if you'd only like one. And then you have the option to customize request for information. This is to let us know if you would like your donation to go to a specific project. Scrolling down, you also have the option to show names of donors. So this is optional, yes or no. You also have the option, yes or no, to allow people outside of Rallyhood to access this page and donate to your fundraiser. And then last, you have set up Stripe to manage donations. Please select a payment account or add a new one so your attendees can register and pay for events. Rallyhood integrates with Stripe for safe, secure PCI Level 1 compliant money collection. Please follow the instructions and connecting the account to this rally. You will click on Stripe and you will connect your account. You will set up your account. If you would like additional information on the Stripe process, please visit our How to Set Up Stripe Payments tutorial video. Next, you will either save it as drafted or you can publish this. Once it's created, it will appear here. And if you do draft it, then you can click on draft and it would appear here. So this is where I have drafted fundraisers, and now I can go into them and edit them. Here you can see, you can add comments, you can share the fundraiser, and you can edit, manage, share, and see the details of who created it and who's shared it. Here you can see if you have any archived fundraisers, and you can also look at your personal donations by clicking My Donations. From here, if you'd like to go back to your Rallyhood dashboard, you can click on the Rallyhood icon on the left corner, and now you're back at your Rallyhood dashboard. Thank you again for watching this Rallyhood tutorial video. We hope that you found this information to be super helpful in your experience on Rallyhood. If you have any tech troubleshooting questions about our Rallyhood desktop or mobile app experience, please feel free to contact us at support@rallyhood.com.